Hi, my name is Venkataramana Pushetty. My highest qualification is postgraduate diploma in finance management from Wellinger Institute of Management, Bombay. I started my career in 1996 in Bombay in public limited company called ABG Heavy Industries Limited, where they were supplied the cranes to the government. I worked in that company as a office assistant, which is a lower position in that company. And within 3 months, I got promoted to clerk. Then another 3 months, I promoted to senior clerk, and I got a promotion up to the assistant manager in that company. And I served in that company more than 10.5 years up to 2006. And they gave me 24 hours vehicle to me. Apart from that, 3 BHK house in Bombay. That much care they were taking, and I was looking the payments part to the contractors, TDS, MIS, then preparation of trial balance, the preparation of JVs, and invoice raising, collecting the same thing from the government within stipulated time. So I achieved more than awards in that company. That is 6 promotion I got in that company. In 2006, I got an opportunity to work with a multinational company like Navsheba International Company, which is the #1 container terminal in India. First privatization port, which they are handling 400 crores per year, having assets of 1,500 crores in that company, having 75 equipments along with 400 trailers with 400 employees in that company. In that company, I was looking the total revenue section, generation of invoices, and giving the correct picture to the shipping line, so that it should not be any deviation, so that less giving credit notes from our end. Collections from the shipping line. That was my targets in that company, and I got a bonus for that year, more than 70,000 in that particular company. Then in 2007, I got promoted to senior officer also in that company. Then I left in that company in 2008 July. Then I joined one company called Vikram Logistic Private Limited, which they are doing multi-modal logistics, which is consist of coastal shipping, transportation by road, rail transportation, CHA, freight forwarding division, airborne road trucking, ICD, FTWT. I was total in charge of all this group. Under me, almost all 15 to 20 people they were working, like transportation 5 people, coastal shipping people 5 people, and rail transportation 5 people. So daily coordinating with the people so that invoices should book properly, and preparation of MIS. Apart from that, payments and statutory audit, internal audit. Then for ICDs everything, we used to get land acquiring from the farmers near surrounding areas. While acquiring the land, whether all the papers are in perfect conditions or not, the same thing we used to get it mortgaged to the banks and getting the sanctions from the company for the company. In that company, I served more than 3 years. Due to some problems, they could not able to survive. Then I jumped to one company called Organic Aromatics Private Limited, which they manufactures chemicals for deodorants, which is the main product for deodorants, which almost 50% of their turnover goes to export. 50% of turnover gives to the domestic companies like Agarbattis. Like we can say that even Karnataka soaps also, they are one of the biggest customer to them, customer to them. There I was totally in charge of finance team. So I used to conduct a invoice posting, whether it's correctly billed or not. What is the product cost, whether underbilling is there, it is there or not. Then monthly reconciliation, what is the total invoices what we generated, whether it has been posted to the finance module, and RICO we used to do. Apart from that, excise we used to do RICO, VAT we used to RICO. Apart from making the payments, we used to deduct the statutory dues like TDS, ESIs, and same thing we used to pay in stipulated time as per the dues, whatever it may be. Then TDS returns every quarterly, and advanced tax calculations, preparation of trial balance, and preparation of drawing power statement, and MIS. What are the major sales what we are doing? How much we are profit? If any sales we are getting low, so we used to inform to the management so that we are getting less sale for this product. Why cannot improve some more process and get fine quality so that we can improve our sales. Then apart from that, BRC, bank reconciliation statements we used to prepare. Then coordination with the banks, preparation of FFR1, FFR2 reports, transfer pricing related activities, then preparation of cost audit and submit as per new sections for ICWA. We have to get the cost audit also and file to the cost audit department also. So these are the activities that I was conducting in that company. My hobbies are acquiring more knowledge, learning new things, and work as a team. And wherever teaching is required, whenever my subordinates are not up to the level, teach them in such a manner so that they can get more knowledge, so that we can stabilize the bondism and as well as the relation of boss and as well as subordinates. So that we should create such a relation so that they will feel secure. If you give any opportunity to me, I will work in such a way so that depreciation, all these things, asset turnover ratio. So that if you see some companies, they purchase and keep it aside, and there is no revenue also. They keep on spending money for that. These are the things we used to bring to the management so that they can reduce their financial interest loss, all these things. Thank you.